Never get discouraged because you will keep falling. Just encourage yourself because one day you will rise. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. A last minute goal or last ball will change the entire game. So, try up to the last minute. Anything will be possible. Don't read success stories. You will get only message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Alphabet O stands for opportunity, which is absent in yesterday, available once in today, and thrives in tomorrow. So stay positive always. Do not make your aim like the garden because everyone walk on it, but make your aim like the sky so everyone wish to touch it. Watching how time is passing by, you better use every second of your life and fight, struggle and try until success and happiness arrive. Never hate people who are jealous of you, but respect their jealousy. They are people who think that you are better than them. Success always hugs you in private, but failure always slaps you in the public. That's life. Be grateful that you don't have everything you want. That means you still have an opportunity to be happier than you are today. Never take someone for granted. Hold the person who loves you most because you might wake up one day and realize you have lost a diamond while you're too busy collecting stones. Feelings are important in our life as they come from heart. If we respond, they grow. If we ignore, they die. If we respect, they stay forever. Live life like a pair of walking feet. The foot that is forward has no pride, and the foot behind has no shame, because they both knows their situation will change. Life is like a coin. Pleasure and pain are the two sides. Only one side is visible at time. But remember, other side also waiting for its turn. Don't look further for answers. Be the solution. You were born with everything you need to know. Make a promise to stop getting in the way of the blessing that you are. Take a deep breath. Remember to have fun and begin. Each day holds a surprise, but only we expect. It can be see, hear, or feel it. When it comes to us, let's not be afraid to receive each day's surprise, whether it comes to us as sorrow or as joy. It will open a new place in our hearts, a place where we can welcome new friends and celebrate more fully our shared humanity.
People are great if they can find their own faults, greater if they correct themselves, but greatest if they accept and love others with their faults. What is the difference between inside and outside the college game? We play with life inside the game, and life played with us outside the game. Work for a cause, not for applause. Live life to express, not to impress. Don't strive to make our presence noticed. Just make your absence felt. Luck is like sand in hands. It will sneak out through fingers. No matter gripped firmly or held loosely. Only hands in the praying posture can save it.
Millions of trees in the world are accidentally planted by the squirrels who bury nuts, then forget where they hid them. Do good and forget, it will grow someday.